everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Web not downloading files. So I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. So if WhatsApp Web isn't downloading files like photos, videos, documents, or audio, the problem is usually caused by browser issues, internet connectivity, storage restrictions, or temporary glitches. So here are the fixes. So first is to check your internet connection. So at the bottom right, click Wi-Fi. Then click this Wi-Fi right here. So make sure your computer is connected to the internet. You can try opening another website to confirm your connection is working. You can then restart your router if needed. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to data or from data to Wi-Fi. So a slow or unstable internet connection can interrupt file downloads. Next is to clear browser cache. So corrupted cache data can interfere with WhatsApp web. So open Google Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down to delete browsing data. Then from here, select cache images and files. You can also select cookies, then click delete data. Then go back to WhatsApp web and restart it or refresh it. Next is to confirm your phone is connected. So WhatsApp web relies on your phone for synchronization. So open WhatsApp on your phone, ensure your phone has an active internet connection, then keep the phone powered on. So you can just scan the QR code with your phone's camera and it will connect just like so. Next is to update your browser. So to do that, click the three dot in the top right corner, then go to settings. Then from here, on the left side at the bottom, select about Chrome. So check for updates and install any available updates and restart the browser. So an outdated browser may cause compatibility issues. So once you're done with that, go back to WhatsApp web, then try downloading the files again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.